In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund for a course you've taken on Udemy. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few key details to keep in mind to ensure you get your refund smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Udemy website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled My Learning, usually found in the top menu bar. Clicking on this will take you to a page that displays all the courses you've purchased and are currently enrolled in. Here you'll be able to see your entire course library. Now browse through this list and select the specific course for which you intend to request a refund. Click on that course and you'll be directed to its main page. In the upper right-hand corner of the course page, you should notice 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Give those 3 dots a click. If you've purchased this course through promotional emails, there should be an option labeled Request a Refund. This link is your gateway to the refund request process. Selecting Request a Refund will initiate the process and typically bring up a form to fill out. While filling out this form, you may be asked to provide a reason for your refund request. This could be due to the course not meeting your expectations, technical issues, or perhaps you purchased it by mistake. Be honest and clear with your reason, as it helps Udemy improve their courses and enhance the user experience. Once you've completed the form, you'll submit your request. After submitting, you can expect to receive a confirmation email from Udemy acknowledging your refund application. The processing time for refunds can vary, but you should generally receive a response within a few days. During this time, keep an eye on your email for any updates or further instructions from Udemy's customer support team. Remember, Udemy's refund policy typically requires requests to be made within a certain period after purchase, often within 30 days. Make sure you're aware of and comply with these guidelines to ensure the best chance of receiving your refund. If you experience any issues or your request is denied, Udemy's support team is available to help resolve any problems. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should be able to navigate Udemy's refund process with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful guides and tutorials.